Hello, class. I am Caitlin Baxter, and this is my analysis of Chapter 4, which went into drinking and the advertisement within drinking. And the biggest thing that struck my mind was that binge drinking and being an alcoholic are not the same thing. Being a binge drinker does not automatically mean that you're an alcoholic, and binge drinking is more in younger adults or people that are underage. So, for example, if you are underage or in that early 20s years, you could be a binge drinker. And what binge drinking mean, okay, you drank like maybe 4 or 5, 6, 7 beers and you continue to drink, but that does not mean you're an alcoholic. We just see that more within younger adults. Another thing that struck my mind and was just like, wow, that's so interesting, is that alcohol is related to violence and sexual violence and risky sexual behavior. This is something that we see in pop culture, in real life, and an example for me is in movies. A lot of movies that portray somebody with domestic violence traits or domestic violence, you see them get drunk before, or you see somebody that was not the aggressor, but now they've gotten drunk, and now they're the aggressor. I think that's been going on for many, many years. Even in the Bible, they say stuff about that alcohol can bring out that aggressor in you. And the risky sexual behavior, it says it's more prone to have more people have more casual partners, stuff like that. I think that is portrayed in movies and is portrayed in real life. Definitely see examples of that in real life all the time. But it's not just the act of drinking that gets people, it's also the advertisement for alcohol uses typically beautiful women, attractive women to advertise for that. So now it associates women with, okay, I want to get lucky, I want to do this, I need to get her drunk. That's how it's advertised, and that's the kind of cultural significance around alcohol. Thomas did an amazing analysis and teacher for this chapter to teach us about even back in the day how they used to advertise with it, and a lot of her examples in it were beautiful women that were being used to sell this alcohol. A big thing that I saw were boobs. It was almost like the boobs and the alcohol were inseparable, because on all the pictures were beautiful women. It was out, even with one with the lime on it. It shows us the audience that they target, but it also shows us how women are objectified within these ads, within real life. It mentions that sexual violence and violence happens when people are on alcohol and people are drunk. So to see this in the ads as well, it relates directly to the culture or the significance around alcohol and when people are drunk. In conclusion of this chapter, I think Darlene Thomas did an amazing job breaking it all down, and I think the book did really good with showing us the advertisements and how it relates to what goes on actually in culture. Thank you so much.